Before we start, guys, I have just released my brand new game, Short Sticks, available on the Play Store for download, guys. It's free, so why don't you guys click on that link and get yourself one. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is your boy Lou, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys just how easy it is to create a scene in Unity. So first things first, you guys, you gotta kick in your editing software. In this case, I am using Photoshop, and as you guys can see already, what I'm doing is I'm grouping all my elements so that I can identify them easily within Unity. So I'm giving them names like, you know, stars are stars and mountains are mountains, and you know, stuff like that. It's a title is a title, so that's what I do. So I just name everything, and after that, you know, I just group them some more, and then from there on, you know what the deal, guys. Import those assets into Unity. Just click and drop them easily, as quick as possible as you guys can. I'm just kidding, you guys can take your time, but for the sake of this video, as y'all can see, I am moving quite fast because I want to keep this short and simple and easy. Why? Because this is so easy, guys, come on. So anyway, I'm switching my project to Android because, you know, I like mobile games, and basically that's what I do. So switch your project to Android if you like. You don't have to, but this is optional. So for those Android developers, hey, I got you, okay? I got you. So after that, all you have to do is just switch up your landscape, your view to landscape mode, and you know the drill. So now you just drag and drop. Once again, just drag and drop. And then put everything together. You know, I got a really good memory, so I don't have to go back to Photoshop because I already know how I want it to look, and it looks crisp, right? So this was a dark theme, which I sort of went with, basically because, you know, sometimes I felt low at some point, and you know, the dark theme sort of just, you know, came up, and that's what I did. So yeah, so anyway, let's get started. So after that, I have missed some few things. Obviously, I missed the star, and then all you have to do is just export that and import that back in. So just make sure you guys have imported everything, right? Just so you don't have to go through the troubles that I'm going through right now. But then after that, all you have to do, guys, is just layer the stuff, you know? What comes first, second, third, last, and 10th, and whatever. This is personally up to you. I have my own sorting layer configuration where I start with -10. Don't ask me why. It's just my personal preference. But after that, guys, it's all just positioning everything, you know, just position everything where you want them to be, and so forth. And now the next step here is to start with animation. Now in this case, I want to animate the little star that you guys see along with its light, which sort of like, you know, being a spotlight to the tree. Basically the capsule that's on the tree is sort of like some creature that's basically sleeping, you know. Yeah, it's just sleeping in the tree in the dark, in the cold. So yeah, so I'm gonna animate that, but unfortunately I've chosen the wrong stuff to animate, right? In this case, as you guys can see, I have fixed that, and also now I'm just sort of like animating the right things. So anyway, basically, as you guys see, you know, I'm not animating the right things, so I have to switch up and go back, undo, and just take up my stars, because that's what I need, along with my light source, you know, the light source for the star. Those are the ones I want to animate. So I just take those, drag them in, and then from there on, I just yeah, animate. So I just give this a name real quick. Obviously just replace the one we created before, and then from there, guys, you know, you have to animate. If you guys do not know how to animate, it's quite easy, guys. You just create keyframes with whatever you want. I'm just kidding, but I assume you guys know how to animate and how the animator works, so I'm not really gonna explain that too much. I'm just gonna show you guys just how easy it is to set up a scene from Photoshop into Unity and bring it to life, you know. So yeah, that's just the main goal of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys are still watching right now, why don't you just give me a break and hit the subscribe button or the like button, which is way better. Anyway, yeah, so from there on, guys, all you have to do here is just do some more animation, just bring them back to life again, you know. So you just play them and it looks pretty good. Yeah, so then after that, the next thing that you want to do is, you know, you want to animate the title, right? So this title is basically just going to drop in, right? So give that a name and then make sure you're recording, and then just copy that position, the Y position, and then from there just take it up and then boom, find the spot that you like. In this case, I want somewhere between I think 2 seconds, somewhere between 2 seconds. Yeah, that's pretty good. And all you have to do is just paste in that copied value, and then from there you're done. That's it. You've animated the type. Animated the type. And it looks pretty cool. So all you have to do is just click play, and just wait for it. My system is quite a bit slow right now. But anyway, go. We have a game, ladies and gentlemen. A fading game. This is sort of like reminding me of a pretty cool game that I like to play. I'm not gonna say the name because everybody else who downloaded. But yeah, so after that, all you have to do now is just fix some minor errors. Yeah, so I'm just fixing that top and fading thingy. I can just play it and boom. And it's pretty cool. So that's it, guys. You are done here. So, and all you have to do now is just make sure everything is not looping. So make sure looping is disabled. You can enable this for other animations, but for this one, it's not looping. It only happens once, and voila, it's done. So after that, guys, you just play it back, and from there on, you can play around and just see how good it looks, and then just customize it even further. Like, you guys can, you know, change the background, make it a little bit more sinister or a little bit more nice to look at, you know, get those colors in and just make it look beautiful. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. It is your boy, New Tutorials.